Hey, what's up? Dilio again, and I'm going to make this short and sweet. I want to talk about the Grammys. So right now it's voting time. Voting ballots are open for the first round picks of things, and there are two projects that I'm actually on right now that are in the ballot to be considered for a Grammy. So starting over there on your top right is the Veterans Music Project, and I produced the track in the club, and that was a collaboration with the Veterans and the Veterans Music Project right there. That's up for consideration. And also on the bottom right of the screen, you see an album cover called I Have No Idea What I'm Doing by Kira J. It is a spoken word album. And me and another producer, K Boogie, worked together on a couple tracks on that project. And it is now for Grammy consideration. So if you vote on there, I would like to consider the best album cover and also the best spoken word album. That's on the ballot right now. It's voting time. So if you are a Grammy Recording Academy member, please consider these projects right there. And it was awesome to be part of that. And I'm just spreading the word. Thank y'all so much for your support to this channel and everything I do. And I just want to spread awareness to what's going on right here in the music industry. I'll see you guys later.